In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate QR codes in Google Sheets using a simple add-on. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right tool, install it, and turn your selected cells into scannable QR codes in just a few clicks. Start by opening your Google Sheet and looking at the very top menu bar. Click on the Extensions menu. This is where Google Sheets keeps all your connected tools and add-ons. From there, hover over Add-ons and choose Get Add-ons. That opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is the official catalog of trusted tools that extend what Sheets can do. In the search bar, type QR Code Generator. You'll see several results, so look for a highly rated option, such as QR Code Generator from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Open its page to quickly review the description, star rating, and recent reviews. When you're ready, click Install. You may be asked to confirm the Google account you're using and to grant permissions. These allow the add-on to read the cells you select and write the QR code results back to your sheet. Approve the prompts so the installation can finish. Once it's installed, return to your spreadsheet. Go back to the Extensions menu and you'll now see the new QR code generator listed there. Click it to open the add-on. Most of these tools load a sidebar on the right side of your screen where you'll make your selections. Before you generate anything, select your data range. Highlight the exact cells that contain the content you want to convert into QR codes. This might be a list of URLs, product IDs, event links, or any text you plan to encode. Keep the selection tight to just the cells you need. If you're working with a large list, it's fine to select an entire column or a continuous block of cells. With your range selected and the add-on sidebar open, click Generate. The add-on will process your selection and create QR codes for each cell in that range. Depending on the specific add-on, the codes may be inserted directly into your sheet, usually next to the data, or displayed for you to place. Give it a moment if you're working with a big list. Generating many codes can take a bit of time. That's it. You went to Extensions, opened Add-ons and Get Add-ons, searched for and installed a QR code generator. Then opened it, selected your data range, and clicked Generate. Now you have fast, reliable QR codes ready to use straight from Google Sheets.